Hey everybody, here's a 1985 Dayton Lasko 16-inch oscillating table fan. Um, I got this fan from work back in March of this year. I've had it now and it is May the 11th, 2024. So I've had about close to 2 months now. It's about 2 months and it's now spring. So I figured I'd do an update video on this. I still got this fan. It works really, really well. I really like this fan. I got it from work. They were getting rid of a bunch of these old oscillating table fans, and they didn't want them anymore. So they were giving them one. They're giving them away. So I took one, and yeah, works really well. We're gonna start off on low. It oscillates really well too. I've had this, and we had some really warm days. Not too long, like a couple days ago, and it was running from 2 days straight, and it did really well. So the plastic is in nice shape so far. I mean, I don't know for how long because it is going to sit in the sun, so I don't know how long that's going to happen, but right now it looks pretty good. Has a nice motor whine to it too. Medium. Has a really nice soothing sound too. A medium. Throws a lot of air, like it cools this whole room. I want to find the Galaxy Gray Bladed version of this. But I don't see that happening. Yes, hi. This is a pretty strong fan too. It has a lot of power. And it's quiet. For the amount of air it throws, it's quiet. Like it's not as quiet as the 12-inch models, but it is really quiet. It's pretty quiet. You can watch television with this on and still hear it without disturbing you. So, a little wind noise here. This has I think these use the Samsung motors from what I've heard, or Sanyo motors rather. I think these use Sanyo motors in these, and these last forever. Like these just keep on going. They're good fans. And we'll power it down now. Make it steady. Nice thing about this oscillator knob, it's easy to pull up other than my Galaxy 12-inch table fans. Kind of rough to pull up. And old double F spells off, as Tori the Fan Man says. Pretty nice coast down too. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Comment, like, subscribe. Bye bye.